Hello, beautiful. So today we're going to do a bit of a reset. My washing power right now is an actual mounting, so we definitely need to combat that, and that's even without bed sheets. So first things first, let's get at least one load of washing on. It feels so good to finally have that on. Let me turn the Christmas tree on. Yay! That's not the actual Christmas tree, by the way. Let me show you the actual Christmas tree. But I've got, oh, Alexa, turn lounge lamp on. Okay. I love watching that, it's so beautiful. But yeah, I've got everything charging. So I've got some camera batteries charging. And I think my power bank is charged. Let's have a look. Yes, my power bank is 100%. My hand warmer is 100%. Oh, no, my hand warmer is not 100% yet. But you know when you put off a job, you're not actually phased by it, but then when you start it again, you feel stressed. That's how I feel now. Like I've been putting off all of this to just like do all in one day, get it done. And now it's almost 3 o'clock, basically 3 o'clock. And I need to get it all done in the next couple of hours. So that's great. So let's make a coffee and everything's gonna be fine. We have a plain red cup. Coffee. Okay, right. The sound of laundry just makes me so happy. Like I love doing laundry and it's just so, I think because I always associate it with like reset days. So I know that sound means that I'm gonna go to sleep tonight and everything's gonna be new and clean and lovely. So I need to sit and do my finances today as well because my car needs some work done and it's gonna be fine. It's what I'm telling myself, it's gonna be fine. Luckily I've bought all my Christmas presents. I literally just have one left to arrive and then I'm good. But it's more like Christmas activities that I might have to cancel, but everything happens for a reason. So I'm gonna say. I should probably move my coffee. So I have a diffuser, but she's like really, really old and she's got like a bit like, it's just like stuck to the edges and gunky and stuff. So I popped some, you can't see, I put some bleach in her last night and some hot water to hopefully sort that situation out. And let me just stir it up. Literally, as I was doing that last sponge, I heard the, you can see. I heard the washing machine finish, so what perfect timing. Wow, it's very blue in here. No wonder I keep getting headaches. But yeah, I've decided I'm just going to get an anti-bac wipe, smells lovely of apple, and I'm just going to go over all of the surfaces. It's not dirty in the slightest, but I feel like it's just going to make me feel a little bit better, and it's just going to make things smell nicer, so that's what we're going to do. My little nice trick with cleaning to make things smell nice as well is make sure you do all the skirtings, the door frames and the radiator, because I feel like they always get neglected. Hello. But I had my niece and nephew stay for the weekend, so they created chaos, as you can imagine. So I'm going to do some more reset-y things today to continue on the reset couple of days. But I just had a bath and washed my hair, did a hair mask, got a leave-in hair mask on my skincare. And I was about to lay my acupressure mat and then sort of like start filming to do reset things, but I was like, oh no, acupressure's like so resetty. And it has all of these spikes over it, and you basically, can you see that? And you basically just lay on it, and there's the pillow. So I'm just gonna plonk that on my floor. It's good for pressure points, blood flow, muscle aches, and stuff like that. And depending on what kind of acupuncture you like, if you're into the meridians and the more Eastern energy forms of acupuncture, then you would also then believe that like touching certain pressure points activates different energies in you and refreshes different energies in you that have been sort of stagnant, and gets those energy lines moving again. That's definitely my vibe and what I'm into. So yeah, I'm gonna stop babbling and lay down. Okay, that was absolutely lovely. I do feel reset already. And yeah, I just put my jammies back on today because I was like, well, I'm not going anywhere. Why am I gonna put an outfit on when it's winter time, close to Christmas? I'm gonna make full use of my winter jammies. My nephew calls them jarmums. So me and my boyfriend have got in the habit of calling them jarmums. And it's kind of got to the point now where I forget that it's not what everyone calls them. So you'll be in conversation with someone and I'll be like, oh, I want to get some new jarmums. And they're like, what is that? Oh, okay, no, we need to tidy. I've literally got like a porridge bowl because I had porridge in the bath and mugs and things. Look how cute this is. I got it last year from my friend and I haven't actually used it. This is my first year using this. Oh my goodness, look what I just caught my naughty elf doing. Hanging from the lampshade. These elves are getting cheekier and cheekier, I swear. But you know those jobs that you look at and you just think, that's going to take forever, I'm not doing that. But then as soon as you start it, it takes like 2 minutes. That was tidying up for me. But I'm going to shine my shoes because I want them to work and they got a bit... Does it work? I went to the Christmas market. They got a little bit scuffed. Okay, very happy that was done. That took 2 minutes, literally. I love filming this because I can see exactly how long the tasks take. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's actually made me so, so happy. So happy. Okay, pop these away and then I think bedding. And this is the most exciting reset task, I swear, because it makes the biggest difference. And you know, when you go to sleep that night, you're going to feel absolutely amazing. Some breakfast. So I need to lure Tinky out of my room so that I can clean the bed sheets, open the window, put some incense on, do those sort of reset-y things. And I'm not about to actually kick her off the bed. She needs to leave out of her own choice. So Mrs. Tinky's getting a second breakfast today. Hello, gorgeous girl. You want your breakfast? Come on then. Come on then. Hello, you good girl. Okay, so it's 20 to 11 and we've already bathed, hair masked, skincare, acupressure, bed sheets, incense. I'd say that's pretty good. But yeah, the bedding done and having the room refreshed air makes me feel really, really good. So I've also given Enid a nice little shower and revamp because she wasn't looking so good. Added the quartz in as well to hopefully perk her up a bit. And we've also fed Lily today. She was looking worse for wear this morning and she's perked up now. So Lily's a bit over dramatic, but we love her. She well, literally you'll wake up the next morning and she'll be completely flat down, and then you feed her and she just slowly, very slowly comes back up. But by tonight she'll be like fully up, fully herself. Should we twist you a little bit? There we go. Just come in here to check on things and it feels nice and cool and fresh. The incense is all burnt out, so that's good. So then the air can sort of not be so smoky in here when we come back in. Little Mason's keeping watch, bless him. Feels nice. I like letting the mattress breathe as well. It's very satisfying to just sort of stand here and watch and be like, it's breathing. It's being sort of cleaned. It's not stodgy. You know that feeling when it's just going to be like stodgy? I might actually add some tea tree oil on it as well, just like for cleaning properties. So I just added about 30 to 40 drops of this tea tree oil. And yeah, it's just like antibacterial cleansing properties, which is nice. Also forgot to tell you that during my bath, I put some Epsom salts in. This is my Christmas one, so I did my Christmas haul. These are meant to detox you somehow. So I lay in the bath with these for 20 minutes. And then that's meant to be really, really good for you. I don't know how that works. I've never really researched into that. I guess like your skin is like the main detoxing organ in your body, so I guess that kind of makes sense. I've changed my mind and I found another job. So, it's a bit noisy. Anyone who knows me knows that if I can put anything in the washing machine, I will. Like, I'm obsessed with laundry. And it's because I just had the kids over. We had all of like the pets out and stuff, and I realised they've never really ever been washed. So I've got Mason, who's my little dragon, and I thought, okay, I'll put him on a hand wash. And then I was like, wait, don't waste a whole like load of washing just on Mason. He can go in, have a little water party. This is Mason. He can go have a little water party with his friends. So this is Bear, had him since I was little. This is Toto from when I was really little. This is Curly. And this is Joseph. So they're going in. I'm also going to put my Hunter like sock things in and see if there's space for like my bed blanket. Just on a little hand wash, and that'll be really cute. And they can have like a little water party. Cute? That's making me really excited. They're going to be so nice and fresh. Lovely. And I sleep with Mason, so that means my whole bedding is going to be fresh. Lovely. My wardrobe is so unorganised, and I love an organised wardrobe, so we're going to fix this. I also need to sort out the top of it, and now I'm hating myself for giving myself more jobs. But it needs to be done. This is a perfect opportunity to get stuff done. Let's go. Actually take as long as I thought. That's literally what we were talking about earlier. Perfect. Oh, I got the top. But that's fine. That's fine. We can do that. So this is a situation up here. I've got the last of my Ensures, my tarot cards, some jewellery, and then my bags are pushed back. So my box of weird and wonderful things. So that's a lot neater. It literally took me no time at all. And like from afar, it just looks so much neater. Obviously all my Ensures are done. And that little decoration thing I should probably move up here. And there's a really wonderful box. But yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oh, I need to put my travel bag up there. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, I fixed it. So I've got my travel bag up there, and then I've got all my designer bags, but like facing out, so it's a little bit more decorative. And I can see them easier, so that's lovely. And there's my boy. I miss him very, very much, especially lately. And it's nice to have a lovely big photo of him. And gosh, look how big he was. His sister's so much smaller than him. And to just look at this photo and think, gosh, he was a big baby. But yeah, I love him lots. I miss him lots. We all miss him very, very much at the moment. But he's a good boy. See, my friends don't iron, so I'm trying to do better at only ironing the essentials, because otherwise it is just a bit of a waste of time. So I'm going to go through and just iron what really actually needs it, you know? And hopefully we can cut this down. Oh my gosh, I don't actually think that needs an iron. That's a work dress as well. Wow. To keep that bit flat there. These are all the kiddos, all nice and fresh, and honestly it's so cute. Oh, like they look brighter and more vibrant. Look at Cody's little face. Love them. But yeah, that worked so well. I just put them all on a hand wash, and they're pretty much dry as well, so I just leave them in the sun for a bit, and they're good as new. Got my lovely home Crocs on. These are actually the microphones are One Direction ones, and I split them between my 3 pairs of Crocs. So I've got Zayn and Louis here. But I always find that my legs and feet really hurt when I'm ironing. So Crocs just, I don't know, I've done it for years, and it just always makes me feel, and yeah, it's just always sort of improved it since then, really. So they're dry and ready. So excited. So the bed is all done, apart from that one pillowcase which still isn't dry, but look, oh wait. There we go. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Oh my gosh, can't wait to get in this tonight. Oh, it's so lovely. Beautiful fresh bed, and can't wait till Tinky comes in. Like, it feels so lovely and fresh in here. It's so yummy, so yummy. And there's only one final thing left to do after this has happened. Hold on, let me set the full mood. So I've actually got this water which I charge with rose quartz. So I'm going to pop this in the diffuser, just so everything coming out of this is going to be with good intentions, lovely, good vibe. So yeah, a lot of essential oils are toxic and poisonous to different pets, mainly cats and dogs, and so I pretty much only ever use lavender oil because it's safe for them, and it's often used in vets and stuff like that to calm them down, and obviously it's aromatherapy to calm us down, and in the bedroom space that is absolutely perfect. I think that might be a bit much, but it's okay. Absolute bliss. Very proud of myself, very proud of you for watching someone be productive, because that makes me feel productive and makes me feel like I've done something with my day as well. But gosh, amazing.